Hey guys, what is up? In today's video, I'll show you how to fix VANER -102. So this is a connection error, and here's how you fix it. Simplest fix you can try is simply restarting your PC and then check if that fixes your issue. If it doesn't, the next thing you want to do is go to search, type in add or remove programs. After it opens here, you want to click on search, type in Riot, and it will find here. You'll find Riot Vanguard. You want to click on three dots, click on install again, click yes, and it will uninstall Riot Vanguard fully from your system. After that is done, you'll close this out. You want to relaunch Riot Client. After the Riot Client opens, you want to go to League of Legends. Click on here, update. It will install Vanguard again. Allow it. After it's done installing, it will say here your game requires a system restart to play. Don't restart it just yet. Close out of League. Go back to search, type in run, press enter, type in this in run services.msc, press OK. It will open this window. You want to click somewhere here, press V on your keyboard till you find VGC. You want to open it, double click on it, and as you can see, it says here startup type manual. You want to switch it to automatic, click apply, click OK, exit out of this, and the last thing you want to do is go back to search, type in system configuration. It will open a window, click on services, click hide all Microsoft services, scroll all the way down till you find VGC. You want to untick it and take it back again. Click apply, click OK. And it will ask you to restart your PC one more time, and just simply click restart, and after you restart your PC, your game should work properly. That's it for this video. That's how you fix VANER -102. Like, subscribe if you want to join the giveaway. See you guys in the next one. Bye bye.